It can leave these standing but not trucks.
Well, they must have all been right there, and two's gone and one's there. Look at that house. All the trees around the front and side. See it?
What's that noise down there?
I'm gonna get the angle sign too.